Gather your materials. Pencil, preferably with different lead hardness like HB and 2B. Eraser, kneaded erasers work well for clean corrections. Paper, sketchbook or printer paper, onshirkitai. Optional, fine liner pens, markers, or colored pencils for inking and coloring sounds. Start with basic shapes. Sarker sapriuon sams. 1. Head. Draw a circle for the head. This will be the foundation. 2. Guidelines. Add a vertical line down the center of the circle and a horizontal line across the middle. These will help you place the facial features symmetrically. 3. Jawline. Below the circle, draw a slightly pointed chin to create the anime-style face shape. Connect the chin to the circle with smooth curves. Draw the eyes. 1. Placement. Anime eyes are usually large and expressive. Place them along the horizontal guideline, leaving space between them about the width of one eye. 2. Shape. Draw elongated ovals or almond shapes for the eyes. 3. Details. Add pupils, irises, and highlights to make the eyes sparkle. Don't forget the eyelashes. Add the nose and mouth. 1. Nose. Keep it simple. A small line or dot just below the horizontal guideline works well. 2. Mouth. Draw a small curve or line below the nose. Anime mouths are often minimalistic. Sketch the hair. 1. Hairline. Start by drawing the hairline slightly above the top of the head circle, sorits. 2. Shape. Anime hair is often exaggerated and spiky. Draw large, flowing shapes for the hair, following the head's curve. 3. Details. Add strands and layers to give the hair volume and texture. Draw the neck and shoulders. 1. Neck. Draw 2 slightly curved lines extending down from the head. 2. Shoulders. Add simple lines or curves to indicate the shoulders. Keep them proportional to the head. Add clothing. 1. Design. Choose a simple outfit like a school uniform or a dress. 2. Details. Add folds and creases to make the clothing look more realistic. Refine your sketch. 1. Clean up your lines with an eraser, removing unnecessary guidelines. 2. Add more details like accessories, patterns, or shading. Ink your drawing. 1. Use a fine liner or marker to trace over your final sketch. 2. Let the ink dry, then erase any remaining pencil lines. Color your drawing. 1. Use colored pencils, markers, or digital tools to add color. 2. Add shading and highlights to give your drawing depth. Tips for beginners. Practice drawing faces from different angles. Study anime arts at Ori or Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Practice makes perfect. Good luck, sir, and have fun drawing. Gerson, are you?